homeowners are challenging FEMA for another reason. As we first reported last September, the agency has been demanding they repay some of the government funds they received after the storm. Roxana Saberi is here with that part of the story for us. Roxana.
Tony, FEMA says it's trying to fight fraud and waste, and the states of New Jersey and New York have also been asking some homeowners to return grant money to them. But many of those homeowners are challenging these requests.
The steps, the deck, all of that.
Ted Friedley refuses to repay New Jersey money it says he owes, money it gave him in the form of a grant to rebuild his home after Superstorm Sandy.
This is what they're asking back for the 26,005 calendar days of the date of this letter. I've never received a letter like this from anybody asking for any kind of money.
The state says Friedley owes that money because repair estimates changed, and he also received money from other sources. That was 8 months ago. Friedley says he still hasn't paid. FEMA is also pursuing many other homeowners. It says it needs to make sure federal dollars are spent correctly. So far, the agency has sent letters to more than 3,600 storm victims across 5 states, telling them to return a total of nearly $24 million. In a statement, it said, "Unfortunately, whether through fraud, human or accounting errors, or other reasons, assistance sometimes goes to individuals who are not eligible." But many homeowners say they shouldn't have to pay the government back for mistakes they didn't make. And others say they can't afford to return any money.
People are so upset that they're being asked to repay money, which they used for their Sandy recovery, and they just can't understand why FEMA would ask them for the money back and why they have to go through this process of trying to fight it and trying to show FEMA that either FEMA was wrong or they can't afford to repay it. It's very, very upsetting for people.
The New York Legal Assistance Group is helping low- and medium-income homeowners challenge FEMA. But out of 250 cases, they've won only a handful so far.
We're fighting the good fight on behalf of clients, but we're finding that FEMA is sticking to its original decision in most instances.
We reached out to New Jersey and FEMA officials to see how much money they have received back. They said they didn't have a figure on hand for us. Tony, attorneys tell us people who don't repay FEMA when they're asked to could lose tax refunds, Social Security payments, and other government benefits.
Whoa, that gets serious. All right, Roxana Saberi for us. Roxana, thank you.